of equations right here. Now we can go ahead and make the assumption if you want, although it's not important, as you'll see, that all the variables are real. X, y, and z are real numbers. But again, once you see the solution, if you don't already know it, it doesn't make any difference if they're real numbers or complex numbers. But we'll just go ahead and say member of the real numbers. All right, and again, I repeat, I don't think it makes any difference. They could be complex numbers also. All right, now this is certainly underdetermined. It's underdetermined. It's impossible to solve. You have two equations, three unknowns, and we're supposed to evaluate the product of all of the zeros pairwise. Now, without the aid of some kind of trick or tool, I don't think there's any way to find this. You know, you could do it numerically on a computer, I suppose, perhaps. But anyway, it turns out we have a savior here, is this identity, okay? And this is something you can verify. I didn't show all the work, of course, but if you square a trinomial, you're going to get 9 terms. And you go, wait, well, look, there's 1, 2, 3, and then these are 2 pairs of terms, right? So you would have 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9 terms, just because the cross terms happen in pairwise fashion when you actually expand it out. So you can see this is really straightforward with the identity given to us. And so we know that x plus y plus z is equal to minus 20, right? And so we can write, let's go ahead and come down here a little bit. Okay, we can write down minus 20 squared minus 20 quantity squared, which is of course 400, okay, plus, or equals, excuse me, okay, equals, now what is x squared plus y squared plus z squared? That's given to be 586. So we get 586 right here. Okay, and then of course it's plus this, plus what we're looking for, right? So plus 2 times the sum x, y plus xz plus yz. Okay. Now, so you see, this is just a matter of arithmetic, right? This would be 400. And so we'll just come up here and we can write the work down pretty easily. We're going to see that x, y, z would have to be, this will be 400 minus 586. So it would be 400 minus 586, right? And again, you know, all I did was just subtract the 586 from this side. Then we have to divide it by 2, right? 2 is the coefficient of what we're looking for. So divided by 2 is going to equal to xy plus yz I wrote it in reverse, y'all, but plus xz, I just got it written, but it's the same thing, right? Fortunately, addition is commutative, but so xy plus xz plus yz, and so what is this? That's equal to 90. That's equal to minus 186 divided by 2, y'all. I'm getting minus 93. Okay. Y'all, I'm going to check my arithmetic here. This is minus 186. Minus 186 divided by 2 is 93. So here's your solution. And again, folks, I know of no other way to do this, really. In other words, again, as I mentioned, this is what they call underdetermined. There are more unknowns than equations here, okay? And again, we ended up with a real number solution, a negative integer, in fact. But you know, the algebra here would work equally well with complex. This identity holds for all choices of x, real, complex. So in any event, that is the solution. Hope you enjoy it.